Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Dubsado account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you delete or remove a contact from your Dubsado account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove a contact from your Dubsado account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business sending emails through Dubsado, you know that sometimes your customer is going to write back with a nasty message. So sometimes it's better just to go ahead and delete them. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Dubsado dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Dubsado account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to delete or remove a customer, here on the left side, you're going to click on Utilities. Once you do that, you're going to click on Address Book. All right, once you're there, you're going to see all of your content in Dubsado. So just scroll down until you see the person you would like to delete. So for example, this one right here. And off to the right, you're going to see this orange trash can button. Go ahead and click on there. Once you do that, you're going to get this warning. Are you sure you would like to remove this client? If so, click on this blue yes, delete. All right, a quick second later, the page refreshes, and now you can see that client has been deleted from my Dubsado account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove a client from your Dubsado, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.